And so, the legend of Vox Machina season 4 has finally arrived, and within its first few episodes, it brings back one of the show's oldest and most heartbreaking mysteries. What really happened to Keyleth's mother, Vilya? For years, Keyleth believed her mother died while attempting the dangerous Aramante, a series of elemental trials required for Ashari leaders. During the water trial, Vilya disappeared without a trace. The only evidence left behind was her severed leg, leading everyone to assume she had perished. The mystery haunted Kelly throughout the series and became one of her deepest emotional wounds. Season 4 reignites that mystery when a powerful kraken taunts Keleth during the water trial. The creature references her mother's failure and suggests that Keleth could suffer a similar fate. At first, it seems like another painful reminder of a tragedy from the past, but long-time Critical Role fans know that there is much more to the story. The truth wasn't revealed during Vox Machina's original adventure. Instead, the answer came years later in Critical Role's second campaign, which followed an entirely different group of heroes known as the Mighty Nine. During their journey, the Mighty Nine arrived on the mysterious island of Rumblescup. There, they encountered a peaceful community whose inhabitants had strangely forgotten their previous life. Among them was a spiritual leader named Viridian. At first, she seemed like an entirely new character. However, clues hidden throughout the story hinted that something wasn't quite right. Eventually, a powerful spell restored Viridian's lost memories, revealing one of Critical Role's biggest twists. Viridian was actually Vilya. Instead of dying during her water trial, Vilya had been pulled from the plane of water and stranded on Rumble's cup. Her memories had been erased, leaving her unable to remember her family, her people, or even her own identity. With her leg left behind and no way to return home, the Ashari naturally assumed she had died. The revelation shocked both the characters and many viewers because the mystery had remained unsolved for years. Suddenly, Kaylee's mother wasn't dead at all, she was alive, just trapped and forgotten. The good news is that Vilya's memory were eventually restored. Thanks to the mighty Nain, she was finally able to return home. In one of the most emotional moments in Critical Role history, Vilya reunited with Keyleth after years of separation. Now, the biggest question is whether the legend of Vox Machina will adapt that reunion. The animated series has already hinted that it may follow the same storyline. The Kraken's warning that Keyleth would be forgotten just like her mother closely matches Vilya's fate on Rumble's Cup, where she literally forgot who she was. However, the original reunion happened during the Mighty Nain campaign, not Vox Machina story. That means the animated adaptation may save the reveal for the upcoming Mighty Nain series instead. For now, Keyleth still doesn't know the truth, but if the show follows the source material, one happy ending may still be waiting for her. After years of believing her mother was dead, Keyleth could finally discover that Vilya survived and that their family has a chance to be whole again. Thank you for watching. Bye.